Good morning, everybody. We're about to pull out and head back home today, so I wanted to go over kind of my routine for checking our tires and what we use to monitor our tires while we're on the road. So I check the tires with a digital tire gauge before we leave out on each trip, but we also monitor while we're on the road with a wireless TPMS system. So we use the Time8 tire pressure monitoring system that we got off of Amazon. It was relatively inexpensive, but it works really well. You can program this for high tire pressure, low tire pressure, and then it also monitors your temperature, and you can set alarms for any of those. The one that we purchased has 4 monitors, but I believe you can get up to 8 monitors with this system. So a couple things with this is it's solar powered, so you can set it on your dash, and as long as it's getting a little bit of sunlight, it's going to keep it charged up, or it does have a micro USB. So this is the monitor itself. I did find that when it came from the manufacturer, again, we ordered it off Amazon, but when it came from the manufacturer, a couple of the monitors were labeled incorrectly. So just keep that in mind. Installing these is really easy. It comes with a little dust cap, a set nut, and then your monitor itself. You'll stick this on, stick your set nut on there, and then you'll screw the monitor on. And then once that's on, you'll screw the set nut to the back of the monitor to keep it in place. And then you got the dust cap back over the monitor itself. We did find these to be really accurate when comparing to the reading on the digital gauge to the monitor itself. So whenever I check the pressure of the tire, if it says it's 80 pounds, then this is normally reading about the same or within a pound or so. The system though is a good peace of mind when we're on the road. Is that going to stop a tire from blowing out? No, but it'll give you an idea if you're having really high tire pressure or the temperature is getting kind of really high. You can kind of know to stop and check stuff out. So.